A flute can make a high-pitched sound. It vibrates at a high frequency. I found this on page 207 in my science. Now I will talk about low pitch. Low pitch is when something vibrates at a low frequency. When you play a piano key, the pitch of a sound produced depends on the properties of the string that vibrates. This is found on page 207. Next I will talk about how waves work. Waves work by carrying energy from one place to another. If a bird is chirping outside your window, the bird is creating a wave. Waves are found on page 194. Vibration is when you move back and forth quickly. When you vibrate a string, it vibrates quickly. A vibrating object transfers energy all around it. The sounds come from the string's end. Finally, I will talk about matter and energy. Matter and energy play a big part in making sound. When matter vibrates, sound is produced. A vibrating object transfers energy all over. This information can be found on page 198. All of these topics discussed today are used in everyday life. Everywhere you go in the world has different sounds as sounds can be. They are all made alike.